Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video of Are You Gonna Finish That? In this video, I'll be attempt to eat a whole lemon under 20 seconds. Will I be able to finish it? I will also be eating a tamarind, which looks like this, but it will not be a challenge. Now let's get on with the 20-second challenge for lemon eating. The reason I'm doing this challenge is because in Korean TV shows I always see them eating lemon as their challenge. I just want to try out for myself. So I got the lemon peeled and all ready. Now I just need to set the timer. Now let's get on with the challenge. Got the timer ready for 20 seconds and let's start. Okay. Man, that was quick. Wow. I didn't think the time was gonna be that quick. Wow. So that was I don't know, it still tastes good though, but too sour. Too much seed too. All the juice are gone, so not sour anymore. Well, I failed to complete the challenge, but I'm still gonna finish the lemon. Well, there you have it. I probably finished in 1 minute or maybe more. I don't know. Well, the lemon is done. Now it's time for the tamarind. I probably won't feel anything because after eating the lemon, I think my tongue is numb or something. I don't know. Doesn't feel numb, but I don't feel any pain. Okay, I do feel some pain, but the sourness with another sourness will probably, I probably won't feel it. So this is what tamarind looks like. Yeah, it actually tastes good. It's not that sour at all. Maybe it's because I ate the lemon first and then the tamarind, but these are actually pretty sour when I ate it before. It's not that sour at all. Okay, it's getting there. The sourness is coming. Pretty sour, I would say. Oh man. Oh, that's sour. Pretty sour. Well, that's it for eating the tamarind, and that's it for today's video.